In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Lucidchart in Notion. Let's make this process as straightforward as possible, ensuring that you can seamlessly integrate your creative diagrams into your Notion workspace. First, we're going to start by navigating to Lucidchart's website. Once you're there, you'll want to locate the Login button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the homepage. Clicking this will bring you to the login page where you have multiple sign-in options. For simplicity and ease, I recommend selecting the option to sign up or log in with Google. This method will save you some time and keep everything conveniently connected through your Gmail account. After selecting your Google account, Lucidchart will guide you through the login process. It's very straightforward, and once you have successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on the Lucidchart home screen, where all your existing charts and diagrams are displayed. Next, find the document you'd like to embed in Notion and click on Open. Once your document opens, take a look at the top menu where you'll see the File option. Clicking here will open a drop-down menu. From this menu, you'll want to select Embed. This is where things start to get exciting because you're now able to make your Lucidchart diagrams visible within your Notion pages. After you select Embed, a window will pop up containing the HTML embed code. Carefully highlight this code. Be sure to catch every character, as missing even a small portion might cause the embed not to work properly. With your code highlighted, go ahead and copy it. Now we're going to switch gears and jump over to your Notion app or browser window. Navigate to the page within Notion where you want to display your chart. In Notion, create a new block by typing the / key, then search for and select the Embed Block option. This will allow you to paste your HTML code into Notion. Once you've pasted the code, there's one more crucial step back in Lucidchart. Remember to activate the embed code. This step ensures that your embed code is live and functional when placed in Notion. Simply click the button labeled Activate Embed Code. After you've done this, click on Done in Lucidchart to finalize everything on their side. Now turn back to your Notion page, and voila, your Lucidchart diagram should now be beautifully displayed within your Notion workspace. This integration provides an excellent way to keep all your important information connected and easily accessible in one place. Regularly embedding your charts means you can stay organized and visually inspired, enhancing both your productivity and your team's collaborative efforts. Thanks for watching and happy charting.